Do you have trouble completing all your tasks on time? Feel exhausted from completing a large number of tasks? Or perhaps you want to have a powerful system to organize and complete all your tasks? Here, we describe how to use planners and to-do lists to get things done quickly, effectively, and efficiently. 1. What is a task planner and how can it help you? 2. Establishing priorities to effectively plan your tasks. 3. Organizing tasks by time and level of difficulty. 4. Creating affirmative habits and routines. 5. Crafting an actionable and realistic plan. 6. Utilizing tools to assist in task management. 7. Be aware of task status examples. 8. Use templates to complete tasks by planner and to do quickly. 9. Strategies for staying on track and motivated. 10. Benefits of effective task planning and execution. 11. Common mistakes to avoid in task management and planning. 12. AI is innovating to complete tasks by planner and to do. Hit trackup.com to complete tasks by planner and to do effectively and efficiently now.
Nice.